according to C programming, I can say this C, A, B as a variable. According to C. Whereas according to your microprocessor toolkit, you can say this C, A and B as an operand. You should not say as a variable. But all the definition for everything is same only. But from one place to another place, the meaning is going to be getting varied. But the variable is A only. Small a is small a only. We can't change. Only the 26 characters in the A alphabet, that 26 character alone we are just making use, and we are just combining everything. Talking, writing, everything we are doing only with the 26 characters when compared to the other language. Is it clear? So then next value is going to be saying as a defined param. So defined param it will be saying as colon within the corresponding angular bracket. So where we have come across angular bracket, DTD I said on that day. What is DTD? XML, extensible markup language. What is the difference between XML and HTML I said on that day? HTML, all the defined tags will be using. Defined tags, defined already. Okay. Whereas XML, that is nothing but extensible markup language. XML, we can create our own tags like first name. I can create my own tag slash first name. The same way I am creating another tag called last name slash last name. So these are all the tags I am creating. Which are all the tags we are creating that can be called as a DTD. This is nothing but your document type definition. So the DTD represents document type definition. So like that only your param underscore name is going to be defining the corresponding parameter. What is the corresponding path portion in order to activate my root? That is HTTPS colon slash user slash any host, local host value you are just giving. For example, HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon 4300. HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon, I'm just saying 4300. This I am just giving and running. Once for all I am just giving this one. It will be existing the corresponding server, that is the corresponding server is running on the port number 4300. Is it clear? HTTP colon slash slash localhost colon. So the value will be getting started from 3000 to 8080, the localhost value. See, you can check this with your Angular. Each and every time you are running your Angular, folder create, run your Angular app. First time it will be showing 4300. So if you run பண்ணும்போது it will be showing once for all you are giving ng space serve. Is it clear? ng space serve, SERV will be giving. So click on enter. After clicking on the enter, it will be showing you on link. That link you have to press your control and you have to click on. So first time it will be showing 4300. Next time some other app, once for all you are just running, that time the 4300 will be getting changed as 4500 or 4800 or 7000 or 7300. That is what your app dot listen. That is, it is listening on the port number. Is it clear? So like that only the method is going to be getting very clear. Express automatically assign what all the parameter I just want as a name. How the parsing. What is the parse? Parse int. Java is string oriented. If you want to convert the string to the integer, you just using your parse int. Parsing the variable. In the console application of the corresponding .NET also, we will be using the parse. Parse int means converting string to the integer. That is nothing but mere conversion. 32-bit to 64-bit. How the conversion we are doing? From octal to hexadecimal. From binary to hexadecimal. From decimal to binary. Decimal to hexadecimal. Whether decimal to hexadecimal can be happened, you have to think over. So before doing this one, we have to convert this to octal. After converting this to octal, we can do your hexadecimal. Like that, how how it is getting varied. Like that only the parametric part of the corresponding group also is going to be getting varied based on the HTTP request you are just giving on response. Is it clear till this, everybody? So these are all the four methods, main methods: query string, post params, regex, that is nothing but regular expression, and define parameter. The same way only, with the help of the corresponding using query string, you can find like this in the address bar. You have to find out hereafter whichever the page you are running, any page you can run. Okay, you are surfing any page, submit button or any login page, anything you can surf. That once for all you are searching, you can see on the address bar like this. Question mark, that is nothing but your query string, keyed in. What I have just keyed in? Value, ampersand key equal value. Means you might have done any regular expression in the page, or you might want to do your login page. So login page பண்ணும்பொழுது, whether the login page is going to be accepting only the string or number. Date of birth field I am giving, employee number I am giving. Employee number and date of birth. Date of birth is a totaling of 8 characters length. Am I right? MMDDYY. How many characters totally? Everything you must count. Slash also you must count. MM2, DD2, YY 4 is coming. So after that 4, you are putting on slash also. Means the date of birth is a combination of both number and the special character. Right? So I can't say my page, what all the page you are just giving only the string. I can't say. Login page there is no restriction. I can do the validation part in such a way. Date of birth means it has to accept only the slash as a special character. It should not accept any greater than symbol in the corresponding date of birth. I can do the validation using the corresponding range expression validator. Is it clear? Range expression validator. What is a range of numbers? Generally, numerals according to the system will be knowing it 0 to 9. Am I right? 0 to 9 la da vandu any number of digits greater than 4 digit number, less than 5 digit number, greater than 6 digit number, less than 6 digit number, that is 999, 9999, 100. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. Am I right? 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. 1000, 1000, 1000. Greatest 4 digit number 9999. So how you are defining? Like that only, the corresponding page which you are just want to suppose to save is going to be having any number of values. So in such a way we are going to be validating. Question mark is coming, that time it is going to be saying any query string it is asking to me. That is a method. Query string is one of the method. Okay. So like that only URL.parse. What the corresponding URL.parse will do? Parse is nothing but a method converting the string to the integer value. So whatever I am just giving date அப்படின்னு கொடுக்கணும்னு சொன்னா it is going to be separated by slash as a special character. System will be understanding everything as a computer will be understanding all the values as zeros and ones only. In such a way it is going to be transferring the information, what all information you are giving, it is accepting from the low level language to the high level language. From the high level language to the machine level language it is transferring. So for each and every character, number, whatever you are typing, everything, it is going to be having its own ASCII value. What is ASCII value? ASCII, that is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is nothing but your ASCII. Capital A is going to be having the value as 97. Small a is having the value of 96. So for example ABC. What is ABC? It is converting ABC. First A value is 96 it will take. B value 30 means 30 it will take. C value 50 means 50 it will take. It is a decimal. From decimal to it will convert to a binary. Then after doing the conversion only it is going to be sending the information to the machine readable format. These are all the things that is happening inside. Once for all you are just doing any one instruction, any one of the statement you are instructing the corresponding system to do. Means these are all the things that is happening inside. And the compiler is taking care. is taking care? Compiler is taking care. Java you are running, Java compiler. C you are running, C compiler. So object library function, any missing is coming, compiler error, loader error, linker error, all these errors, various types of errors will be coming while you are running. Is it clear? So like that only your title is going to be implementing with the get root, that is, it is going to be finding. So find, once for all the find comes, I am searching. Whom I am searching? For that purpose only the query string is playing a role here, that is nothing but your question mark. I am just searching based on the author information, based on the title information. Author, I am just going to be saying as AUTH or I can say. Simply I am just saying as AUTH, I can say this is authorization. That is your login credential I just want to access. That is your username and password you just give to me. So in such a way you are giving, I am just saying you are the authenticator. So like that, question mark followed by whatever it is, query string, post params or any regular expression it is using means that time you will be getting the corresponding percentage. Okay, so author ampersand title, what this is going to be accepting, author name along with the title. Both I am just want to have. It is going to be after the searching of the corresponding author and the title, it is going to be retrieving the value to me using the method called url.parse. url.parse method.